be like Captain Morona in the wars that are told? How can I see forever like promised to the three Nephites? I wanna be Samuel the Lamanite, I wanna be Benjamin the wise. How can I be like them? How can I be like mighty Emma, whose words were his sword? How can I be like Alma the younger, who was born of the Lord? How can I be a strengthening warrior and learn to fight by faith? I wanna be Samson the Lamanite, I wanna be Benjamin the wise, I wanna be like Abinadab, I wanna be like Jesus Christ. How can I be